Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by assembling every measurable input: GPA, GMAT or GRE, full-time years, and any measurable leadership metrics. Once done, apply the published weightings, for example academic 40%, test 30%, experience 20%, extras 10%, so each component reflects its influence. Make sure to standardize scales first. Convert your GPA to a 4.0 base and map GRE to a GMAT equivalent. This ensures apples-to-apples arithmetic. Without that, the composite will mislead selection decisions. Now normalize every metric to a 0 to 100 scale so they're comparable. For GPA, divide by 4.0 and multiply by 100. For GMAT, divide by 800 and multiply by 100. For experience, map years to a 0-100 rubric. Once normalized, multiply each score by its weight as a decimal, for instance 0. 4 for academic, 0. 3 for test. Add those weighted numbers together to produce the preliminary index mark out of 100. This composite explains how much each part drives the final value. Finish by applying any caps, floors, or minimum thresholds, for example a minimum test score or capped extra points, so the index aligns with policy. Once done, validate by recalculating for 2 or 3 known profiles to spot anomalies. If numbers look off, revisit normalization and weights. Make final adjustments, then round the index to 1 decimal place. Finally, document every assumption and source so reviewers understand how you derived the index and can reproduce it if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.